Hello everybody, it's Sharon here from Mind Healing Harmony. How are you today? I hope you're really well. I just thought I'd show you how I was going to add another raised garden bed, which I've just added the legs to, and I'm going to be adding some rhubarb and strawberries and tomato plant as well. So I thought I'd show you the process of what I went through last time. So if you'd like to watch, this is what we do. First of all, after putting your raised bed together, then we're going to add some hay. Here we go. I have been into our garage, and in our garage we have a bale of hay, but it's not the type of hay that has seeds etc. in it. It's just clean hay. Okay, so what we're going to do is put this in the bottom. In the bottom of your raised bed. Okay, next thing we do is open our vegetable soil mix. Now the one that I bought already has osmocote in it. Now the reason that I bought this one is that it actually releases over 6 months, so you don't need to feed your plants for the 6 months. So I thought that was going to make my life a bit easier. So what I've done is cut the top off. We'll lift this up, which is 50 litres, so it's a bit of a workout, but that's okay. So I'm going to tip this now and right back there. Like so. About half. Looking good for that beautiful fresh soil. So exciting. Okay, I really should have some gloves on, shouldn't I? But that's naughty. So I'm going to, in the corners, I'm going to put some hay, just to make it a bit denser, so I don't lose a lot of our soil. Okay. So then we just move the soil. Now this is good quality soil, everybody. So it works really well. And as you can see, I'm spreading some of the hay now from the ends, and also over the middle. And this apparently works really well to absorb some of the water. So you know how you can end up with soil and it's all stuck together? Not great. Much easier for the plants as they grow. They're going down into the soil. This is a bit lighter. So that was a little hint that I received from somebody in the family, so I thought I'd give it a go. Here we go. Next layer. So this is 50 layers, so I'm not quite going to need all this, which is good. And I'll just show you which one this is. So it's the osmocote, okay, to grow your vegetable. It's a large value pack, 50 litres. I've actually bought it from Bunnings. I'm not sure where you can get it in the States or anywhere else in the world, but we have Bunnings. I guess you could have Walmart, places like that you may be able to purchase it from. So then we'll just spread it out. Spreading it out like this. Okay. I'm not very organised, so I'll be back in a little flash because I've got to go get my little spade. I've got that one. One sec. Okay, here we are back. I've got my little spade that my son made when he was in high school. He's now 25 years old, so there you go. Here we go. Right. Now we spread our soil all around, and then we add the final lot of hay across the top. I've learned not to put too much in, because otherwise it can dry up soil. So now we've got our bed of soil ready. Hey, how exciting. So the next thing that we want to do now is start to plant our plants. So I've got a couple of large rhubarbs here that my mum and dad have given me. So I thought I'd plant those first. So it's always a bit tricky to get out some of these, isn't it? Now I've got the little rhubarb tags, so I'm going to stick that in here, just so I know what I'm growing, because I'm not a vegetable garden expert yet. Here we go. So first of all, planting my rhubarb. Here we go. Put it all right in there. It's good to go. And then the next one, there we go. Pull that out. Perfect. Put this one in. Now, my mum and dad have told me how big these are going to be. They're going to have a base of about this big, so they should fit there and come up and out. So I'm thinking that's going to be okay. Like I said, not an avid gardener. Haven't done a lot of this. The next one's our tomato plant, so I'm going to do a hole on the right-hand side of the planter. And as you can see, as you're doing that, the hay is going through the entire soil. Okay, so now we're going to plant our advanced grown tomato. I'm going to say advanced grown. And then later I'll put a stick in here to help that. Actually, I think I might have one here. Here we go. I'm going to stick a stick in so that as it grows, we can attach it to that stick as it grows up. Okay. Great. Okay. Put that in. So there's our tomato plant. Now, I've got a whole lot of strawberries in here as well. Here's our tomato plant label. So they're Roma tomatoes. Yum, yum, yum. Love Romas. And last but not least, I've got some strawberries here. So I've got 8 strawberry plants. So I'm going to plant some in here, and I'm going to plant a couple in my cabbage bed here. So here we go. So that's one. I'm very naughty. I've always used my hands. Very naughty and don't wear gloves. Don't do that. You put your gloves on. I mean, I just do things and I don't even think about those sort of things. I just get in and do. I've always been like that. Just get in and get the job done. Because I'm just so excited to be doing this. Okay, now we've got our strawberries. Now, a little trick I learned a long time ago is that sometimes you can plant 2. So I'm going to try 2 in this one, just to see how that goes. Maybe we can get double batch of strawberries. And then I'm going to stick one in the centre here. Just in the centre here. So maybe I'll just end up with a really nice lot of strawberries in this bed. That would be so good. And then I've only got one left, which I can put in the other bed. So as you can see, now I've planted all our plants. There they are in the bed, looking good. And I will put one in here. So what I'm going to do is when I'm finished, I'm going to add some more hay on top. And I'll have to go into the garage to do that. So when I finish this video, I will go out, I will put some more hay on top so it looks like this one, which helps with the heat and keeping the moisture in the soil. Okay. So I look forward to having strawberries, fresh strawberries, and a lot of goodies this summer. Yay. Alright, so now we've got our rhubarb here, strawberries, and our tomato plant, just for a nice mix in this particular bed. And I've got my post there ready for when my tomatoes grow. So that's how we plant our raised garden bed. I hope you've enjoyed that. You can go to City Farmers and buy some hay. I tried at Bunnings, they don't have it, but give it a go and you'll probably really enjoy it and watching your veggies. I'm getting rather excited because the beds are starting to grow, so by next week I'll be able to show you how the snow peas and the beans and everything are growing, and how exciting it really is to grow your own veggies. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay healthy, stay well, and may the light in me always shine in the light in you. Subscribe to my videos, and I'll show you what we can do as mind healers to improve our health and our minds. Take care. Bye for now.